I guess you could call this a beta test. It may be an alpha test because we're not running the mower yet. Um, but we're just going to check it out, see how it works. It turns really well. It's quicker than you can push mow usually, unless you're jogging, and it's looking pretty good so far.
Still faster in reverse.
Really? Or just when it spins in reverse?
Yeah, this one's going like reverse. It's going straight all the time.
That dude didn't even see it. It's a curve. You're just going slow, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't want to go full speed there.
Yeah. Little wheelie, huh?
Yeah,
Do we need a wheelie bar? Well, you don't have a big hill like this. Oh, that turn was sweet. We might need to make a weight for the front end up in there. We didn't expect this thing to do wheelies, so now it's even more fun. Can't wait to see how it turns out. Aww. Oh, that's cool. The front wheel side brackets are actually stationary casters with the wheel removed. They're pretty heavy, heavier than I thought they were. The whole thing is a lot sturdier than it actually looks, but we have to do a little shimming. It's still a little close. And the big plate underneath is from an old tool that I had, I think a grinder I took apart years ago, and a couple brackets from the hardware store. It's coming together pretty good, and it's working better than we expected.